Hello everyone, this is Shiv Prasad from Machine Learning with Python. So in today's session, we are going to learn the different types of machine learning. So without making any further ado, let us start the session. Okay, there are mainly three kinds of machine learning techniques are there. The one will be the supervised machine learning, and another one will be the unsupervised machine learning, and third one will be the reinforcement learning. So these are the main three kinds of machine learning. So let us study those in detail. Okay, what is supervised machine learning? So in supervised machine learning, we are actually feeding with the data set, which is consisting of both input variable as well as the output variable or output label. So the data set it consists of both the input parameters like attributes and the output label. So consider an example for the prediction of the whether today it will rain or not. So that we need to predict. So if we give a model like this much is the temperature and this much is the humidity and this much is the air pressure. So with respect to that, it is going to make a prediction that it will rain. So for that, if it is raining, means we are going to label it as a 1. So if we label it as 0, so then it will consider it as it will not rain with respect to the input attributes. So in this way, how the machine learning will work with respect to the supervised machine learning. Another example, if I want to give it the supervised learning means, consider a kid which learn from a teacher in the class. So any difficult concepts are there means is going to learn by the some faculty. So these kind of things are come under the supervised machine learning. So we are actually providing the output label. So the machine is going to predict with respect to the past experienced labels or the past experience data present in it. So if you're going to ask, or if you ask like whether it will rain or not, so it is going to check with the previously stored or the past history of the data set. With respect that, it is going to give, with respect to the probability, it is going to tell us that yes, today it will rain. Okay, I hope you cleared with this supervised machine learning. We'll move into the next, that is unsupervised machine learning. If you have no doubt with respect to the supervised means, unsupervised learning will be a very easy to understand, because the major difference between the supervised and unsupervised machine learning is in unsupervised machine learning we are not feeding with the output level. So consider a problem statement like predicting of the fruit. So what we actually need to provide a machine that, so this much is the length and this is the color and this is the taste and this is the flavor. With respect to that, the machine is going to predict that this fruit, this is the apple and this is the banana. So we are that banana or apple, that label is not present in the unsupervised machine learning. So example for the unsupervised machine learning, the clustering. Okay. If you want to give another example, like a kid means if your kid is learned with respect to some books, so he has not attended the classes, so he is trying to learn by his own. So he referred some books and he used to grasp the things. That is the difference with respect to the supervised machine learning. These are the two types, that is the unsupervised and the supervised machine learning. And next we'll move into the reinforcement machine learning. So in reinforcement machine learning, it is going to predict with respect to the some rewards. Like if you want to give an example, means playing a chess. So if a computer playing chess means it is not going to predict which move it has to move. So with respect to some rewards, it is going to learn and it will make the moves. So consider a dog. So if it does some good things, then you must reward him for feeding it with the biscuits or some pedigree. So it will learn, yes, I have done with a good job and I need to continue that thing. So if it does some bad things, then you punish it. So it will learn that yes, I should not do these things, else I will get punished. So these are the two thumb rules that you need to follow to training the dog. Same technique is going to apply for the reinforcement learning. So for the good things, you need to um, give it a reward. For a bad things, you need to uh, punish it. Okay. I will give an another example. Consider a temperature control system in your home. So it is going to set a temperature with respect to the user's wish. That is, this much is the temperature. So this user has been edited this much of temperature. He has set this much of temperature means I should maintain this temperature. So this is how the machine is going to learn. So this is all about the reinforcement learning. Okay. I hope you cleared with all these three types of learning. That is the one is the supervised machine learning, the unsupervised machine learning, and the reinforcement learning. Okay. The example for the supervised are the linear regression, logistic regression. So whatever the output labels are there that are common in the supervised, and the unsupervised means the clustering. So K means clustering is the example of the unsupervised machine learning. Again, reinforcement learning means it is just like if I give an example for the reinforcement means is the Google car. So a self-driving car is the best example of the reinforcement learning. Okay, I hope you cleared with the different types of machine learning techniques. If you have any doubts with respect to these things, please do comment in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please do support. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you, one and all. Bye bye.